Hey folks, it's Tommy Taylor with Atzenhoffer Chevrolet, and we're here in Placedo at the Volunteer Fire Department where they received the most votes ever in the history of Pay It Forward. So let's reward them with this $1,000 check and keep on paying it forward. And today's Pay It Forward Thursday, and we had 3,000 votes this month for Pay It Forward, and y'all received 82% of them. So on behalf of Atzenhoffer Chevrolet and KAVU, I'm happy to present y'all with a $1,000 check to the Placedo Volunteer Fire Department. So how does that make you feel?
Oh, I just don't believe it. This is wonderful.
What can y'all use the money for?
Our truck needs some repairs, just daily operations, because this is all done volunteer donations. That's it, So just to keep our doors open for a while longer.
On the $1,000, is there any particular needs that y'all have at the moment that y'all can use the money for?
We need to pay some dues for our guys. They're going to school. So, and our truck could use a little maintenance.
There you go. Keep it up and running so y'all can serve.
That's right. We were without it for 5 months last year.
We also have to do some repairs to the building because it was damaged during the hurricane season. So we've got a lot of needs right now.
Tell us, how did you do such a great job of getting so many people to vote for you?
Facebook. A lot of the people on Facebook went to their friends, Facebook more, because we all have different friends, so it's social.
That's right, the power of social media, right?
Yes, the power of social media worked wonders.
Well, it worked wonders for y'all and got y'all the beneficiary of the $1,000, so great job.
Pay it forward, Placedo.